welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching factors and multiples. So before stating it, I just want to explain the difference between factors and multiples. So let me first explain the factors. Yes, in general terms, factor is nothing but an item which you are going to get. For example, I want to make a cup of coffee. Yes, so I need a milk, 1 spoon of coffee powder and sugar. So to get this product, so this coffee is what? Coffee is nothing but a product of those all ingredients. Yes, so this will become a factor and this is called a product. So factors, remember, now a cup of coffee I have got it. So always remember, milk will be equal or less than the cup of coffee. Coffee powder will be less than or equal to coffee. Sugar is also less than or equal to the coffee. So understood the variation. Now the same concept I'll be implementing in the factors. Now for example, I got 6. So the factors of 6 are 1, 6, 2, 3. Now 1 into 6 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Yes, so I can write the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the factors of 6 are either less or equal to the number. Yes, and always remember the factors will be finite. Factors will be finite. So meaning of finite is countable. Meaning of finite is countable. So it cannot be exceed the 6. In the same way, I want to make a cup of coffee. So the ingredients will be finite. It can't be exceeded more than that. It can be countable. Yes. So I'll explain by taking another example. Yes. So I'm going to write the factors of 12. Now factors of 12 are, so start with 1. 1 is a factor of every number. So write 1 into 12. Then 1 after it is 2. 2 into 6. Then 2 after it is 3. 3 into 4. Now next is 3 after 4. So 4 is already over here. So you can stop and write factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can observe here the factors are always less than or equal to. So less, these all are less and this is equal. So factors of any number will be less or equal to the given number. And these factors are limited, so you can use finite word. So factors are always finite. So let me explain what is multiple. Now multiple is nothing but when you take a number, for example, if I take a milk, if I take a product milk, so from milk I can make coffee, I can make tea, I can make sweet, I can make soup, I can make curd, I can make ice cream, yes, cake, yes. So I have jotted out only few, but you have many ingredients. Yes, so by using this simple milk, I can make so many products. So there is no limit how many items you can do. Yes, there are in n number of items you can prepare with milk. So in the same way, the multiples of 2 are 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 fives 10, 2 fifties is 100, 2 sixties is 120, so on. Yes, so there is no limit for these multiples. So I can say these multiples are infinite. So what is the meaning of infinite? Infinite in the sense not countable. Now whereas the factors are finite, where there are limited, whereas multiples are infinite. Let me give an example. Now multiples. Now multiples of 5. Now you take a number and multiply with the natural numbers. Yes, so 5 ones is 5. I'm not writing whole term, I'm only writing the product of it. So 5 ones is 5, 5 twos is 10, 5 threes is 15, 5 fours 20, 5 fives 25, 5 six is 30, and so on. Because as you know that there is no end for the numbers, if you go on multiply, you're going to get n number of numbers. So in this case, multiples are infinite. Whichever number you take, you multiply, you're going to get infinite number of multiples. Yes, hope you have understood the variation between the factors and multiples. Factors are always finite, multiples are infinite. Yes, I made it clear what are factors, what are multiples. So let me give the properties of it. Yes, so 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 is considered to be a factor for every number. Why it is? Now 1 into any number gives you the same number. So 1 is considered to be factor of every number. So 1 is a factor of every number. Next one, every number is a factor of itself. So 1 into 6 is 6. So 6, the number which is a factor of itself. Do remember, every number is a factor of itself. Next one, every factor is an exact divisor. For instance, 3 into 4 is 12. Now 4, take 12, divide with 4, 4 threes is 12, and you got remainder as 0. So every factor is an exact divisor. So the factor can divide the product leaving remainder 0. So next one, every factor is less than or equal to the given number, as I have explained you in the earlier. So every factor is either less or equal to the given number. So let me explain the properties of multiples. Now multiples of properties. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to a given number. For example, let me take 7. Now 7 ones is 7, 7 twos 14, 7 threes 21, 7 fours 28, and so on. Yes, so let me explain the first property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to. So you can see here the first multiple of a given number is equal and the remaining all the multiples are greater. So every multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to a given number. Next, every number is a multiple of itself. Now every number is a multiple of itself. Now 7 ones is 7. 8 ones is 8, 10 ones is 10. So every number is a multiple of number itself. Next one, number of multiples of a given number are infinite. So what is the meaning of infinite? It is countless. So here you can see that 7 1 7, 7 2s, and if you go on multiply with the natural numbers, you are going to get n number of multiples. N number of multiples. So we consider it as infinite, whereas the factors of a given number are factors of given number are finite. So here they are limited, whereas the multiples are infinite. Hope you have understood the variation between the factors and multiples. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.